getting inside.
at the airport. The tea towels? No. Just gonna get for the photo.
That's the most active I've seen summer for time being.
Look to see if we right at me. Oh, look.
This picture.
Yeah.
No, it's fucking, they got it in the morning.